look around until I found someone who laughs like you.
I'm Aundre Larrow. I'm a Brooklyn-based portrait photographer, and I'm here field testing the 2018 iPad Pro. So having a mobile workflow is super helpful. After I finish shooting my subjects, now I don't have to wait or email them images days later or even hours later. I can show them what I captured then and there, and that kind of helps establish trust, and it lets me edit in the environment I shot in, which is really good for establishing and maintaining mood, which is really important in my photography. So for stills, I use the card reader dongle and just plug it directly into the iPad Pro. It imports all the RAW files. After that, I can just import my RAW files directly into the camera roll. CC syncs all the things that are in my camera roll directly into my Lightroom catalog. I can use that and I can edit from there, so I can use the pencil to use local adjustments, whether that's the exposure, sharpen, anything like that, so I can get the image the way I want it to. And then all the presets that I've made or I work on my computer also sit to my iPad as well as my phone. So I can use those to establish and maintain mood. And then on the video front, all the videos I took on my phone as well as on my memory card, I can airdrop the ones from my phone, and I can plug the ones that are on the memory card directly into my camera roll and open them up in Rush. And from there I can just lay them out to make a nice smooth video. So as a creator, my work is at its best, I think, when it's accurate to the environment and how I feel and how the subject feels. And so the more opportunities I have to work in that environment, whether it's shooting, editing, directing, then I'm gonna kind of lean into that. So getting to shoot video, shoot photos, and then edit those videos and that photos right there in that spot helps me maintain the look and the feel and the authenticity that I seek with my work, and that's really, really important. So much of my work is collaborative with the people that I photograph and capture, as well as how I want to see it. And being able to show them that is really important to me, so that they're not separated from the environment. They're not looking at the images later in days and being like, oh, I don't know about this. But if you can work on something immediately, it gives a sense of clarity and vision that's really, really important. I spend a lot of time on planes and trains, and being able to edit and use the pencil to just be on top and make specific, clear edits is something that I want to do more of, and I'm excited for the opportunity to do it. Even so far, it's been something I've really enjoyed.